Right, actually, as you can see, the clouds there are moving, but they're actually moving towards the west right now. But if you look ahead, they're moving in different directions too. So this is a little preview. I don't know if I'll be coming out back after this, but this is what I look outside right now. They should be passing right here today. So as you can, I can feel the wind coming on top of me, but it's nothing yet. It should come later this evening, actually. So my little view here today. So this is the canal chief here. Give you a little update on what's going on right now. Alright, so as you can see, it's kind of feeling weird out here. It, everybody inside. One or two cars passing. Some guys were jogging actually. So nothing serious at this moment. It's preview. I'm just hoping that this thing won't actually come to that speed that they are expecting later on. So this is it for now. I don't know if I'll be making another video, but I'll see how things will go.